Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're talking about something truly unique and essential for our furry friends. The best dog bike helmet out there.
Introducing the Small Dog Helmet Goggles Motorcycle Helmet UV Protection Doggy Sunglasses Pet Dog Glasses Safety Hat. Quite a mouthful, but let me tell you, it's worth every syllable. Now, why do I say it's the best?
Let's break it down. First off, safety.
This helmet is designed with quality ABS material and features an adjustable chin strap and soft detachable sponge mat, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit for your pet. And those goggles? Made of PC and AC material with hard lenses, they offer top-notch eye protection from sunlight, wind, or any unexpected debris.
But it's not just about safety, it's about style too.
With its sleek design and adjustable straps, your furry friend will be the coolest pup on the block. Whether you're cruising on your motorcycle or just out for a walk, this helmet and goggles combo is perfect for any occasion.
Plus, with its sturdy construction, it's built to last. So there you have it, folks.
The Small Dog Helmet Goggles Motorcycle Helmet UV Protection Doggy Sunglasses Pet Dog Glasses Safety Hat is not just a helmet. It's peace of mind and style, all rolled into one.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, keep those furry friends safe and stylish.